10 countries to invest in Africa. Welcome people to We Love Africa, your home of tips and trips around Africa. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing in depth on investment, investors, key factors to consider before investing, but most importantly, where you should invest. How about Africa? Africa is an incredibly rich continent that is blessed abundantly with minerals, resources, and rich soils. Research even states that the world's richest man in history came from Africa. All these are potential reasons why you should invest longer in Africa. Adding to that, most African countries are rapidly developing economically at a very promising rate. There are a number of people who might consider this a risky business move due to political instability and extreme poverty in some countries. However, looking at the brighter side, this might turn out to be the best money move you have ever made. Grab a pen and get ready to take some notes as we are going to break down the top 10 countries in Africa you will not regret investing in. 10th on the top 10 list is Cote d'Ivoire. This country is one of the biggest cocoa producers across the globe thanks to its government's investments and a stable business and economic environment. Political stability is one of the key factors to consider when investing in any foreign country. It is safe to say that this French-speaking country has a stable political environment that will pose little to no threats to your business. The main reason Cote d'Ivoire makes it to the list is because of the large infrastructure, especially in the transport sector. According to research, transport and energy infrastructure are the main drivers of foreign direct investment. Transport infrastructure plays a crucial part in business and investments. Grabbing the 9th spot is one of the most prominent and popular countries in Africa, Nigeria. Did you know that Nigeria has both the largest population and largest economy in Africa? One of the main reasons you should without a doubt invest in Nigeria is because of its fast-growing economy. It has been ranked numerous times as one of the top spots for foreign direct investment. The international business community views the country as a potential driver of a great African market. Nigeria offers a great investment opportunity as most of its enormous resources are yet to be fully exploited. Investment is encouraged mostly in the solid mineral sector. Mineral resources in the country include coal, tin, iron ore, and others. Nigeria is one of the largest and booming oil producers in Africa, paving way for huge inflows of foreign investment. You should definitely give this country a try. Number 8, Ethiopia. Like Nigeria, Ethiopia is one of the fastest and rapidly growing economies in Africa. In fact, it is the second largest market in Africa with about 102 million people and a growing number of middle-class citizens. But what really sets Ethiopia apart from the rest is the lower level of corruption compared to other African countries. The government has set up several policies aimed at attracting FDI inflows. Additionally, Ethiopia offers a relatively stable climate, which is perfect for investment purposes. The East African country also possesses a wide range of natural resources. Why wouldn't you want to invest in such a country? At number 7, Ghana. Ghana's abundant resources, political stability, and growing economy is definitely a big plus to many investors. The country ranks first for the Global Peace Index in West Africa. This makes it an extremely stable country politically and creates a stable ground for business and investments. What will also attract you as an investor is the developed infrastructure in Ghana compared to the other West African countries. This creates a perfect field for investments and expanding stock market. Also, did you know that 100% foreign ownership is permitted in Ghana? Number 6, Tunisia. Rich in natural resources, political stability, and a growing economy. These are among the key factors mentioned repeatedly in relation to Tunisia. And although this country possesses all of the above common factors, it's the country's solvency that makes it stand out. Its solvency gives it access to various international markets, creating its own space in the world economy. This comes as a huge advantage for investment purposes in the country. Number 5. Rwanda. A favorable and friendly climate for investment is probably one of the minor reasons that attracts investors to this beautiful country. The main reason you should invest in Rwanda is because of the strict anti-corruption system of the government that offers investors safety and security for their investments. Rwanda also has a high economic growth that is beneficial to both domestic and foreign investors with a stable inflation and exchange rate. It's no surprise that Rwanda made it to the top 5. Number 4. Kenya. In the whole of East and Central Africa, Kenya is the largest and most advanced economy. Kenya's membership to the Regional Economic Bloc makes the country a gateway to the East African Community Market, which has over 135 million people. The country is also a beneficiary of several trade preferential arrangements, which include the African Growth and Opportunities Act. This is clear proof that Kenya has wide market accessibility, which is crucial for investments. Additionally, Kenya has a fairly large pool of English-speaking, qualified and professional labor force that can be hired at a reasonable pay scale. Number 3. Morocco. The Moroccan government encourages foreign investment with enthusiasm into the country. With a supportive and politically stable government, Morocco is definitely an ideal country to risk investments. Additionally, a young and relatively well-trained population offers a skilled labor force. Uniquely, the strategic location between Europe and the sub-Saharan Africa expands the market even wider, which is important for investment. Number 2. South Africa. South Africa is considered the springboard for investment into Africa across the globe. It acts as a gateway for most investors into the continent. To date, it still is the largest receiver of foreign direct investments on the continent. South Africa is still an economy with a liquid financial market compared to other African countries. Most investors are attracted by the country's mature capital market, availability of financial services, and high quality of air transport infrastructure. South Africa offers a very wide market for investment in Africa. And number 1, Egypt. Egypt clearly deserves to be top of this list. The country still holds the number 1 spot for having the largest market in Africa. Its population size of almost 100 million people means that there is a possibility for future growth and a high demand for more consumer goods. With a booming business sector, it's no surprise that investors are immensely attracted to Egypt. The country has improved the business sector, which is facilitated through government programs and private sector investments. This has helped boost its economic growth, making it the perfect place for your investment. Do you agree with our top 10 picks? Which country would you invest in without a second thought? Please comment down below and spark a conversation with us. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end. We hope that you have learned more about the African continent and even more about which country is the best to invest in. Please don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more details about the African continent.